Charlie, young man.
From a MF1. Almost say and sort Hassan. As on Sony, that be a sit down. ye move ya de ba bu ha no say even po ye Ghana for ana sen so ta ha sika mu waste na mo dey for machine na mo bu nkofo dan ka mo dey get gas kwat wa bi area ne kwat be boa na mo go for bre na mo say ye Ghana for na ye bre ye struggle this sit down ye nya ba bia say asante mba mu otumfo say obi put dan kwagu wo no krampo na ono be di because say ye mbo dan go mra ni pati ase asante mba mu ye nya sa aso ni ya hye ni pe anim ni aba be bu dan na ye posen so ta ha die na mo ye asem obo Ghana for sika mo di mo je ye mo de machines mo de be ya sa de wanina e demolition ni na ana mo de ye gates ana mo de bua ya aka ye
wa accuse obi say wa jiji we CKTV chirem
ye fra na akwa oba no aka cho say ba bia ye wo no e wo ye obeka cho say aha ye mani sika or do you 20,000 or do me 5,000 or do me 10,000 or do me 20,000 or see me yeah the man ni na no wasa ko se baby no wasa ba no ba bi bu no
ni akwa
or a forestry man
wa halmu
or wa heavy video wa mo function wa ko te o na ko no wa mo fan ko to so o mo ye bro mo te bribe
o kan
o mo didi a chen na de bribe ade o mo ye wa nyina o mo pe bibi ntia eye bibi ntia
o keka wani a sika be sen na odi ama akwa
over 40,000 akodi no no over 40,000 akodi akwa no oba ha be tro say demolition oba be kacha ye say aha ye kama aha bibia ye fine enti ai yen tieska say na bibia be kama yen sit down ana na ya bebu down
o chira akwa no
ye flood area bia because South flat na started free MF estates and then you sit down sound because in Sunday man we sit down and we feeling na come back sound that down it here na
o dine
some more drink Ghana for me down here no some more drink Ghana for na some more banana bibi say wo ha dia na mo ye aboa ye dia na mo ye aboa ye o mo ye kromfo akoye kromfo
mommy it's okay
Right, please, before I come in, there's an allegation there. You took a coverage, so I want clarity from the forestry guy before I proceed. So, forestry, please, can you clarify the allegations leveled against you?
What I would say is that, per my operational work that I do, I come here with task force because when normally I come alone, I'm always faced with a lot of confrontations on the ground. So I would usually call on my task force, the Forestry Commission Rapid Response Team, and I move with them. Sometime within October, I was here with my task force. We didn't have any machine to even demolish some of the structures that are in the waterway. So we manually pushed some walls down, belonging to this same woman who is making the allegations. He came there, rained insults on me, and even series of curses and all that. I didn't mind her. At the time when we were pulling the things down manually, she told us that if we will still continue and break these things down, we should wait and we'll see. So when we were moving out of the site, then she came in with a Ram pickup, chasing the task force. We were then using a Nissan patrol van. And she was chasing us, and we were recklessly chasing us, and we suspected that she was carrying arms and all that, and the car was tinted, so we had to quickly leave the site. It was when we reached the MF estates, exiting the area, before she stopped chasing us, and we had to exit. And since that time, we have never been to the site, even though it falls within the waterway.
She's accused you.
So far she's paid about 40,000.
Please, I know nothing about that.
She's not the only person who has accused you. There's been several people who have come here to accuse you of taking monies from them and assuring them that they can go ahead and build. Not one, not two, several of them.
Who am I to assure them to build? And on what grounds will I collect money from somebody when I know what you are doing is wrong?
You've not taken a single penny from
I haven't taken any money from anybody. I haven't taken any dime from anybody.
You emboldened them to build here.
I cannot embolden anybody to build here when I know it is wrong. and I have warned you severally, don't go there, and you are going there. How will I embolden you? There's no need emboldening you when I know the thing is wrong.
Why would different individuals, it's not like they're in a group, different individuals come point accusing fingers on just you for taking money from them?
I am the site manager.
Not accuse anybody else.
Look at targeting the head, because we say in our local parlance that if fish will spoil, it will start from the head. So they would actually, what not the chiefs who are selling the lands to them? Why don't they go to them and attack them? I am a public servant. Why would they attack me? Because they know that per the information I have on the grounds, I'm the only person. If they target me, they will be able to have their way. And that is
do you know all the people who have tagged you as taking monies from them, all the people that have come here? Do you know any of them?
I would know these people because I keep warning them that where you are building is wrong. So definitely I will know them by faces. But it is not about taking anything from them. No.
You say that you've not taken anything from them, but have they voluntarily decided that, okay, take this thing?
No, please.
They're dying.
I would not even venture doing that.
My dear, I'm going to investigate this matter because I have interest in this. Like you said, we've been here several years for the first time, and we heard series of allegations against him personally. Are you getting it? And so we have to investigate this matter and get to the root of this. And so that one I can assure you, because why have we gotten here? That is the question. Sometimes I don't blame them. When there are people who are concerned to allow this to happen, they are the people we have to blame. Where are the engineers, the planners, what have you? Where are they? What are their duties at the assemblies, various assemblies? I mean, for you to sit and allow this to this level. And so, in fact, I was touched by the gentleman who knelt, crying that we should allow his building, we shouldn't, go close to his building. But my dear, because look at these churches, it's a huge investment. And so, if we should allow such a building like they said, you said they should continue with whatever, and they've gotten to this. What are we telling ourselves? And so that is what I need to investigate.
Did you allow your officer to step aside while you do the investigation?
Oh, not to step aside, I don't have that mandate. But we'll approach the authorities and see the way forward. But you notice I've spoken with him and he said he hasn't taken any money. And it could be, I don't know whether it's the truth that he's saying. But you see, there's this idea that so sometimes I don't trust human beings. That one day I should be frank with you. But even my mother, I don't trust her. So I cannot trust human beings to the fullest. But we investigate the matter and see, the truth in. Today exercise has been successful. I'll say we've done a lot, and we are going to continue tomorrow and make sure that the entire, like I said, the entire stretch of the buildings should be done. So we'll continue the exercise tomorrow. We'll be going beyond. I don't know whoever says it, but we'll be going beyond. Oh yes, I'll say so far so good, because the buildings that were targeted are all down. So yes.
So what happens to the buildings that are left? Are you going to zone them so that people do not come here, so that you're able to come here tomorrow?
We are going to look at the mapping so well. Like I said, it's not only this time. The other side too, we are going to investigate and see. Because when we asked, he said what? Human what? He used the word, human face. And so they allow the building to be that. That was what he said. So I don't know the type of human face that he's talking about. And so if you allow human face to live there at the other side of what about this side? So we are not going to leave any stone unturned. I'll make sure that provided the place is a Ramsar side, Ramsar side is Ramsar side, and no one is above the law. Law is law, so we are going to deal with it.
Mr. MC, this is your jurisdiction. Are you also satisfied with today's exercise?
Well, largely it's been so far so good. all our targets have been met, and it's been met well. We would continue tomorrow unabated.
Do you have anything to say about the accusation against the Forestry Commission?
Well, I have nothing more to add than it will be investigated. You know, allegations are allegations until facts are given to back the allegations. So we urge whoever has the facts to back the allegations that they are given to bring forth the facts. We'll peruse it, and then the necessary actions will be taken. He belongs to the Forestry Commission, and we don't have jurisdiction over him. So I can't say anything, any sanctions that will go against him.
Okay, thank you.
They are within a certain enclave that is considered a boundary, right? A boundary inside the Ramsar area. The Ramsar area where you are not supposed to actually build. Why are there buildings standing here that hasn't been touched, but mine has been touched? I think they are just looking for a scapegoat to show that somebody is out there working.
So you feel you are being targeted at this point?
Nobody knows me. I don't want to even say I'm targeted because I'm not sure a lot of people know me. So I'm not a politically exposed person as well. So I won't say I'm being targeted. But it is a problem that we have in Ghana with immediate solutions, like immediate reactions, fast service solutions every time. It has flooded. Let's show that we are working so that people think we are working. So you come and demolish the young guys.
How long did you start putting up this building, and how much do you think you've lost?
I started it's 3 months to 2 years now. We are 3 months shy of 2 years. Yeah. And as for the cost of it, I won't be able to tell because there's a little savings that I get from my contract and other things that I pumped here. It's all gone down the drain now, so it's fine.
It's not fine. You've been here all morning, and finally it's been pulled down. I'm sure you're devastated.
I actually, it is just the people that are disappointed that is a main issue for me. For myself, I'm fine. I can do it again.
You can do it again here or elsewhere.
You have life, so if you have life, you can do anything, right? And if I'm able to do it the first time, there's nothing that stops me from doing the second time. So myself, I'm not affected. It's just the people that I had in mind putting up the project that I'm a bit concerned because I wanted to show them that it can be done.
What was the project about?
It was my house. It was my house. And it was a challenge for myself, you know. Yeah. I got out of formal employment 10 years ago. I'm trying to do something for myself. And I have friends who have actually left the country.
Were you given prior notice?
Well, no, I wasn't. I don't know if others were informed, but I wasn't informed. I just got a call this morning from my workers that we are some people are here to do an operation, so I showed up here. Yeah.
What happens now? Everything is gone.
I don't know. Right now, I can't say anything. There's nothing on my mind now. Just going through the emotions, but it's fine. I did it once. I can do it again. Maybe 10 times.
Certainly not here, right? Are you now reconsidering where to buy properties and put up? Yes, and
it's too far from where I work. You know, it's too far. I have lands around Amasaman. I have some in Libri. But I decided to develop here because it's closer to where I work.
So are you reconsidering where to do your next development since this one has been earmarked as a no-go zone?
This just happened today. I can't have any let's say alternative plans standing here. So I just have to go through it. but we'll do it again.
Charlie, hey, okay, not move. Come back. Come back.
Watch up here. Wow. I'm Ramsey. From Gov't. I'm Ramsey.